What's up everyone, it's CS Adventures here, back with another video, and today we are unboxing the Fox 36 160 millimeters of travel fork that's going on my Stumpjumper Evo. So let's get into it. So let's see what's inside. And here it is. So this fork in particular is 160 millimeters of travel. It has 51 millimeters of offset. And the reason for that I didn't go for the 44 millimeters is because there was a $500 difference. And I can also adjust the head tube angle on my Stumpjumper Evo. So that's why I went with the 51 millimeters. It shouldn't be too big of a difference. Some people feel it more than others. I'm not doing any real competitive racing with that bike. So that's why I went with this 51 millimeter. And also inside there are some volume spacers along with the manual and whatnot. So yeah. Lastly, we're gonna weigh this thing in, see how heavy it is for being the 36 millimeter stanchions. So let's go do that. So let's see how much the fork weighs. So this fork comes in at 4.86 pounds, which translates to 2.2 kilograms. So really good weight for a trail / enduro fork. I can't wait to get this on the bike and start riding. But yeah, that's going to conclude today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.